Come test drive the 2020 Ram 1500. Ram 1500 went against the Chevrolet Silverado, Ford F-150, and Toyota Tundra, which are all excellent trucks in their own right. The Ram took home the prize for its well-rounded strengths. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, traction control, backup camera, tow hitch, anti-lock braking system, dual airbags, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, cruise control, auto-dimming rear view mirror, AM/FM stereo radio, electronic stability control, passenger airbag, MP3 player, auxiliary audio input, tachometer, brake assist, rear view camera. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.